Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best automotive scan tool. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Stool. Model number, A80. Stool A80 is the latest car diagnosis platform made for technicians. Stool A80 scanner can read DTCS and data streams, perform active tests, code for all systems including full system diagnostics, all OBD2 functions, various reset features. But its excellent performance in advanced hardware, faster and more accurate diagnosis. Stool A80 Pro Level Scan Tool is designed for mechanics and workshop, garages. Along with the standard services like oil reset, ABS auto bleed, some advanced functions are also packaged including TCM relearn, key programming, cam or crank relearn, fuel trim reset etc. Stool A80 is a bidirectional scan tool, allow you to request information or command a module to perform specific tests and functions to save you loads of time and help you get through more jobs every day while observing the resulting data to troubleshoot and fast repair. Number 4, brand name, Uncell. Model number, FX2000. Uncell FX2000 OBD2 scanner with a 3.5-inch backlit color TFT screen displays the live data stream in a graph or engine, transmission, ABS and SRS, so you can monitor vehicle performance and find potential problems easily. The diagnostic scanner comes with high quality, view live data about specific parameter which can be displayed in graphics. It shows the specific for system's live data readiness and allows you to focus on any suspicious or symptom-specific data parameters, especially in the display of waveform data stream visualization and historical data recording and reproduction. Uncell FX2000 is an advanced diagnostic tool that aims to provide users with a wide range of solutions for critical tasks. It is capable of diagnosing engine, transmission, ABS and SRS of the vehicle and reading the live data stream in graphic format instead of text format. FX2000 Code Reader has the capability to read and clear fault code in the SRS and turn off the warning light to ensure that it is working correctly and safely. Uncell FX2000 OBD2 or EOBD Code Reader supports all 10 modes and 46 car makers of OBD2 test for a complete diagnosis. It is truly the ultimate in power and affordability, allowing users to do their jobs faster. Graph, record, replay data and troubleshooter code tips help users to save diagnosis and repair time, so you can know much more about the overall health of cars. Number 3, brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT726 Elite. Foxwell NT726 Elite all-system scanner with special functions. NT726 Elite offers technicians and enthusiasts an easy and affordable solution to pinpoint troubles of all system on major American, Asian and European makes. This car OBD2 scanner is capable of reading and clearing trouble codes of all major systems, including engine, airbag or SRS, transmission, ABS, SRS, air conditioning, ACC, audio, headlight, center lock, ESP, suspension failures etc. It also can temporarily start and control your vehicle's systems for active testing, provide you with accurate data results about troubleshoot and diagnostic problems, Foxwell NT726 Elite Scanner for cars enable you to reset the oil life reminder when the replacement of engine oil is done in case of the impurities in oil may damage the engine. Foxwell NT726 Elite code readers and scan tools enable you to see real-time data in text and graph like engine coolant temperature, fuel system status, engine speed, short-term fuel trim and etc. This full-system car scanner can automatically identify the vehicle and perform a quick scan, which allows you to quickly match the right updated software that will enhance the diagnostic capabilities and resolve compatibility issues. The scan tool also receives power through the USB port when it is connected to a computer for software updates. 4.3-inch LCD color screen, non-slip button, easy to operate. Number 2. Brand name, Uncell. Model number, DS700. Uncell DS700, based on the Android 10 system, is a new generation of modular high-end intelligent diagnostic equipment developed by Uncell, featuring fully updated softwares and powerful design of widespread vehicle coverage, abundant professional diagnostic features and exceptional hardware configuration etc. It is an ideal scanner for professional mechanics and auto repair stores to perform all-around fixes and comprehensive tests. This diagnostic tablet supports CCU coding function on a large amount of makes, including for Benz, for Ford and more. It also supports quick diagnosis via one-button VIN scanning. Active test is used to test whether the execution components in the electronic control system can work normally. Uncell DS700 car diagnostic tool includes both OBD2 and all systems diagnosis, such as engine, transmission, ABS, TPMS, SRS, EPB, SAS, ESP etc. but also comes with intelligent diagnosis and 12-in-1 real-time data stream graph, allowing you locate your vehicle problem in a few minutes. Uncell DS700 scan tool with full-featured bidirectional control ability can actuate solenoids and actuators for active testing, send commands to many systems or components to test their working status, without using the vehicle controls. Uncell DS700 diagnostic scanner tool has IMO service that only a few high-end car scanner will offer. Each time you lose the key, Uncell DS700 key programmer immobilizer can add the new key and remotely disable the lost one. You can generate a full system diagnostic report by one click. The reports can be emailed to the office or directly to your customer. You can also print out the vehicle health report card. Uncell DS700 support optional functions modules to meet advanced technician, including work light, video scope, module dock, thermal imager, battery tester, scope box. Deactivate and activate the brake control system, assist with brake fluid control, open and close brake pads etc. Allows the scan tool to evaluate the battery charge state, monitor the closed-circuit current, register the battery replacement, and activate the rest state of the vehicle battery system. Smart Autoven technology for fast and precise identifying vehicles in one touch to scan across, acquire vehicle info and run diagnostic on selected systems. Quickly get your car's information. Save your time. By using the remote diagnostics function on the menu, users allow our technical engineers to control the tablet device on the user's PC via TMViewer software, thus helping the user to solve operational problems or other confusions. It is not only eliminating customer worries, but also realizes technicians' reality to diagnose abnormal vehicles from thousands of miles away. It is a new generation modular high-end intelligent diagnostic device and a must-have tool to work on modern cars. Comes with a multitasking Android 10.0 operating system, 10-inch touchscreen, fast quad-core processor, 4+64 GB storage, features fully updated software and ultra-extensive vehicle coverage design, extensive advanced matching capabilities, rich professional diagnostic functions and powerful hardware configuration etc. It is the ideal scanner for professional dealer tech. Professional repair shops and auto DIY enthusiasts for all-around fixes and comprehensive testing use this automotive scanner to perform diagnostics via Bluetooth 5.0 connection from a distance without tangling cables. Number 1. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT726. This Foxwell NT726 all-system vehicle code reader will be your top choice, since it has 8 hot common functions, equipped with professional all-system ECU modules check. It can help you perform deeply car repairs. So it's convenient for car owners to have an easy-operated scanner when cars become complicated now. The Foxwell NT726 scan tool provided full OBD diagnosis, including freeze frame, IM readiness, vehicle information, DTC lookup, O2 sensor, onboard monitor, component test, read or clear codes to turn off engine light, and view live data to check health status of parts. Foxwell NT726 OBD2 scanner adopted 5.5-inch LCD screen, will clearly show the live data in text and graph. Allows you to view graphs simultaneously and merge 4 of them in one graph to compare. With the touch screen, data switch will be more convenient. Foxwell NT726 Automotive Diagnostic Scanner features latest VIN-based AutoVIN technology that can identify vehicle make, model and year information to shorten vehicle navigation process. Most average OBD2 scanner can only display 2 PIDs of live data in one graph. While this NT726 diagnostic scan tool will display and merges 4 PIDs of live data in one graph for easy and intuitive diagnosis. A diagnostic report can be generated after finishing the diagnosis, which could be shared to your friends or customers. With the AutoVIN function, this Foxwell scanner will be able to identify your VIN automatically and show ECU information. Straightforwardly get detailed info of the car, ranging from engine type to where it was manufactured. Then it offers full system diagnosis and comprehensive codes after finishing scanning and detection. This code reader fits for home mechanic, car owners, advanced hobbyist, car dealer, auto repair shop, automotive engineer, diagnostic tech, automobile tech, individual. Apparently, this is the most economical scan tool for every mechanic. Based on the Android 9.0 operating system, it will realize that touch controls the code scanner to store the graphical process of live data. One click to check the real-time health of your car battery with a graph. Monitor the battery life to replace or change it timely manner to get safe driving. This NT726 vehicle code reader will allow you update your scanner at your fingertips.